Hello! I'll be doing a tutorial, and it's how to get 6 out of 6 cars in the car wash in Teardown. It's a game, you can buy it on Steam.
I know it now.
There's a mission called the car wash, and you have to sink 6 cars into the water. To do this, you can ram them into like the jacuzzi. But I've devised this tutorial for you. Hello. I'm gonna alt-tab into the game now. So this is the Teardown. I have no mods except for click explosion, but you're not going to need it, so I disabled it. Play campaign. Now to do this, you need 30 to 40 seconds of blowtorch and either a few bombs or lots of shotgun shells. I have edited my game save so I'd have lots of things, but I've tested it and done the maths. All you need is up to 30 seconds to 40 seconds of blowtorch usage and maybe a few bombs. Not really demolition, but you don't know me, but I've had a series of break-ins recently. In the last one, I lost 2 very rare classic cars, and guess what? I know who did it. Gordon Wu, that absolute... I don't know, he's kinda awful. He's bragging to everyone at the club about his 2 new fave cars that he stole from me. He's caused a lot of property damage, and I want to give Gordon a taste of his own medicine. I know you like demolition, so I thought maybe you'd want to do something like this. It's okay if you don't, but I'm sure you'll be interested, right? I stopped reading, so I fabricated the rest. Click. So this mission's called the car wash. Your first mission at Villa Gordon. And you can do it without setting off any alarms. It's quite simple. All you need is, again, 40 seconds of blowtorch, a few bombs, or lots of shotgun shells. The only mods I have installed is Click Explosion and a resource pack. Resource pack? I play too much Minecraft. Voxel editor. So all of my things look way cooler. It doesn't change how I play, it just looks cooler. My bomb's invisible, but you'll figure it out. It looks very nice, actually. Credits to the people that made it. It's not just one person who made it, it's a lot of people. Okay, so the easiest one to do first is the one over there. I'll pull up the map for you. It's this one, the one in the truck. That's the easiest one. The easiest one is the one in the truck. To do it, you just have to get in the truck and then drive the truck into the water. The alarm is not pulled and it's in the water, so it counts. I'm gonna get to the truck now. I'm a little laggy. I don't usually move this slow, actually. In the basic levels, you're practically sprinting. Again, the truck, do a U-turn or get up if you want. Just get the truck, put it in the water. Let me add a microphone. Oh. I suggest getting out of the truck before ramming it into the water. You probably don't want swimming back. So that's the first easiest one. The second easiest one is back in that garage, very far away. I'm so slow. Wah. This is not a required car. The second easiest one, in my opinion, This may strike you as not your opinion, but it's the second easiest one to me. To do it, this is the one that requires lots of shotgun shells. It's easy but expensive. You need like 30 to 40 shotgun shells or 2 bombs, maybe 3. This one is in the garage. I forgot where it was. Oh, the garage is down there. Under the winter garden. So yeah, that's the second easiest one. I don't recommend you doing that. In fact, you could just go through the ramp and then open this unlocked door. I just did that for speed purposes. So here it is. If you get in, yeah, you can't really move around. The plus side to this is that there's no alarms. It's just that you can't move it. So I devised a plan. It only took me a few head scratching. I just have to blow it up. You either need like 36 shells, maybe 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think I overestimated how many shots I need. 9? It's taking a lot less than I thought. Okay, like 20 shots. 20 shots, even it out a bit. I'm stuck. Okay, maybe it does take 30 shots. So there are 30 shots. Then you pick it up. Carry it with you. Oh wait. Yes, open door. I am definitely a car. Oh, prop line. Okay, so now you have this thing. You can probably guess what the next part is. You throw it into the ocean. First, I need to get to the ocean, which is going to take a very long time. And since I damaged the car a lot, I can't drive it anymore. And even if, there are no wheels on it. Okay, we just gotta throw this into the ocean. Pollution. Car style. But get in the ocean. And there we go, target complete. It's not really in the water. Okay, now this. And the third easiest one is all the way back over there. Walk of shame. It's gonna take a little bit. Maybe more. Yeah. This is official business. You find it weird that I have the car key to all of the cars in this game? Maybe car keys don't exist in this universe, and you can just drive anyone's car. All you need to do is get in. You are the car key. The third easiest car, and the last required car, is this one. If you weren't able to do the other one, that's okay, because you can do all 6. Now, again, all you need is blowtorch. Crouch. Oh. There you go. Crouch, and then get rid of the spoiler. Leave it there. And then get away with the car. Don't do what I did. Don't be, I don't know. But what I did was I slowly burned it off. Slowly will just waste your fuel tank. You have to burn it for a bit. So there, those are the top 3 easiest cars. You can go escape now. And I haven't set off a single alarm, but I'm not going to. And I'm going to do another car. And I don't want to walk a long way, so I'm gonna go do that one. I hope you're enjoying your spoiler, mister. Bam. Bam. Now this isn't an order of being easy anymore. This is just I can do it because it's nearby. Should have probably saved. It's a good time to save now. Does that count as water? It's just a huge puddle. Yeah, that's water. You know, once it evaporates, he'll just take the car and maybe glue back the part that I cut off. Maybe duct tape. It'll look less cool. But hey, still alive. That's what stitches are. Well, some stitches look awesome. Next, I haven't memorized where the cars are. That one, at the Winter Garden. It's very close. I'm doing it. Once again, easy do. All you need is blowtorch. It only took me like 6 seconds? No, 5 seconds, because it started at 999, not 1,000. It took me 5 seconds to do the other 2, so I can probably not take that long. So it's attached over there. Save. And then blowtorch away that part. Also, you have to make sure it's big enough. That's too small, probably. You have to make sure it's big enough, otherwise the debris will just despawn. And you don't want that. If it despawns, the alarm will play. That's too small. No way this is big enough. Once I look away, the alarm's gonna play. Nope. Okay, we're going. Bye, have a nice time with your tiny 2 centimeters of car. No, I can count that. That's like 7 voxels. Tiny. Boom. And the last car is a Lamborghini. Well, it looks like a Lambo. It's actually a Eurus XXF, I think. XXF, extra fast. That's what it said. You can also do the same technique in Insurance Problem, but you cannot do it on all of the cars, because on like 2 of them it's attached to the exoskeleton or the unbreakable part of the car. This is the last area. I wouldn't want to burn the Lamborghini too much, but it's required. Goodbye. Ooh, it's a Eurus IV. Forgot to save again. Don't roll away. Here you go. Whee! And there you go. That's all required targets. I'm just gonna dump this in the ocean. Yeah. No. All targets cleared, no alarms. Now just make your way to the escape vehicle and don't smash the alarm. I don't know how you can accidentally smash an alarm, maybe by ramming it with a car. But there you go, that's all 6 targets. No alarms, and no entire hours of setup. It's not good for speedruns, but it's good if you really don't like alarms. You don't want to be alarmed. Yeah. Hilarious. Oh, by the way, here's what the bomb looks like. Ow. It doesn't affect how good it does, it just affects what it looks like. And there you go, tutorial complete. 6 out of 6 cars, no alarms. And it only took 6 minutes. Well, I'm lagging, so it actually took like 12 minutes, but there you go. Yeah, see, it took 16 minutes. 17 actually. But there, done. That is the Teardown 6 out of 6 cars without any alarms. Subscribe, please. Thank you. Have a good day.